Okay, we are going to do the next page of our All About Plants book. So remember on Friday, we did the cover, All About Plants, and then we did page 1 when we talked about what plants need. What do plants need? Sunlight, water, air, and soil. Very good. So today we're going to do page 2. So if you go in your May packet and you grab page 2, that's what we're doing today. We're going to label the plant parts. So you're also going to need the word bank for page 2. All right, so everyone should be labeled with page 2. I remember I did that. So this is what you're going to need. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and label it. So what are the plant parts? I'm sorry, you guys have plant needs. So plant parts. So I'm going to point to a part, and then you're going to tell me what it is. All right, so in this little circle part, what is usually inside that little part? The seeds. So good. Excellent. So you're going to want to find your word that says seeds, and it looks like this. It's kind of, you can see that on the paper it says seeds in a very light gray color. And so you're going to find your seeds and you're going to match it, because that is where the seeds of the plant are. So you go ahead and label that. All right, now what are these what are these called of the flower? What are those? They're the petals. Very good. So you're gonna look at your word bank and find, so of these two words, which one is petal, starting with the p sound? This one, good, because is the letter P. So that is a petal, and you're gonna go ahead and glue that down. Awesome. Okay, what kind of plant is this? The whole thing, what kind of plant is it? Is it a tree or is it a flower? Good. Now if you look at these two words, which of these two words says flower? Good, this one, because F says the F sound. So we glue down flower. The whole thing is a flower. Good. All right, now, what is this part of the flower? What are those? The leaves. Very good. So this one is a leaf. So if you look at these two words, leaf. L says leaf. Very good. Awesome. All right. And then what about this part that holds the plant up? What do we call that? That is a stem. Very good. Stem. And then under the ground that holds it down, gets the water and the nutrients from the soil, what do we call that? Roots. Awesome. Super good. All right. Then, so what you're going to do now is you're going to color. So I'm going to color my roots brown, because roots are pretty brown. I'll do a light brown, because they're in the dirt. And then the soil, what color is soil? It's also brown. Good. So I'm going to color it a darker brown. You don't have to. You can color whatever you would like. But since I have the colors, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I'm just kind of rushing. I'm sure yours will look a lot better than mine. And if it doesn't, that's still okay. Oops, I'm going to need a sharpener for my pencils. All right. Good. Then what color is the stem and the leaves of a plant? Green. Good. So we're going to go ahead and color the stem green and the leaves green. And then the flower, it all depends on what you want it to be. Flowers can be any color. So you can go ahead and pick whatever color you want. I'll do red, mostly because it's sharp. Some of my colored pencils are not as sharp. And then I'll color this part a different color. Maybe I'll color it blue. And you know what I'm going to do? Because I don't even see the seeds, I'm going to grab my marker and I'm going to draw seeds in there. And there are my seeds. All right, so now, last thing we're going to do is we're going to cut it out. So we're going to cut on the black line and we're going to go out so that the 2 stays in place. So I'm going to cut on the black line. Opening and closing. My thumb is on top with the scissors. I go out, up around the 2, back in, and then back up, and then back on the black line. All right, awesome. So then I'm going to put it behind page number 1. And so now we have our cover, page 1, page 2. So it looks like this. All right, tomorrow we'll do page 3.